Posting loads that you have available is the single best way to let available carriers know who you are and how to contact you. Access the Post Load screen now by clicking the tab at the top, and let's take a look at what you'll see. You can start posting a load to DAT's board by clicking on the green New Load Post in the upper left corner. If this is your first time using DAT, this step is taken for you automatically, and the new post form will already be open. The form will allow you to provide the important details that a carrier will need to find the freight on the board. Remember, when posting your load, the more details you provide, such as commodity rate, etc., the more efficient your contact with carriers will be. The first field is the pickup date the load is available. You can enter the date by typing in the month and day, or by clicking in the box and choosing the date from the calendar. The date will always default to the current calendar day. Under this field, you can enter in a specific time frame for pickup as well. Next, you will need to enter in the origin and destination of the load. Just start by typing out the name of the city or the city's zip code, and then select the desired city from the drop-down menu. Dock hours are the hours of operation at the drop-off point. If the destination has restricted hours of operation, please enter the information here. Next, enter the equipment you need to haul your load. With the mouse, you can click the field under Truck and select the equipment from the drop-down menu. Or you can start typing in the name of the equipment type, and the list will narrow down for you. If your freight could be loaded onto more than one truck type, there are some special truck types for this purpose. Once the origin, destination, and equipment type are entered on the posting, DAT Power will display the broker spot rate, best tri-haul rate, and the estimated trip miles for the specified lane. Then you'll need to indicate whether it's a full or partial load by using the drop-down under F/P. After that, specify the length and weight. The length and weight should be the minimum capacity of the trailer needed to carry your load. Weights in DAT Power are in pounds, not in thousands of pounds. If you enter a value of less than 1,000, you will be asked if you meant to use thousands of pounds. You can use the letter K as a shortcut for thousands when you do not have a precise weight. Many carriers prefer to see the rate displayed in the details of the posting. Posting your rate can help eliminate unwanted phone calls from carriers and can cut down on time you spend on the phone with the ones that are interested. This rate can be entered in the Offer Rate field by typing the amount in US dollars. The first time you enter a rate, it defaults to flat, but you can also select per mile. Next, you will need to select the best contact method using the drop-down menu. This defaults to your primary phone number. The reference ID is a number or code used to uniquely identify a load. This number cannot be the same as any other reference number you have already used. This is a great tool to use when posting a large volume of freight, and carriers will see the reference number when they see your posting. You can enter in the type of commodity being hauled in the commodity box. This can be useful to ensure the carrier can handle the load properly. You can enter up to 70 characters here. If you have any additional information that you feel is necessary regarding that load, you can enter them into the comments field. Each of these fields has a limit of 70 characters. Want to be automatically notified of matching trucks for your load? Simply click the white bell if you would like DAT Power to create a search with an audible alarm that will be added to your Search Trucks tab once you submit the post. When this option is selected, the bell will turn orange and show audible alarm on. Want your load to get more visibility? Click Post to DAT Extended Network. If you'd like to have your load posted to the extended network where drivers can see those loads through our free My DAT Trucker Services app available for Android and iPhones. Posting with this option costs $2 per posting per day and currently exposes your load to over 120,000 drivers that are currently using the app. When this option is selected, the text will turn orange and the estimated cost of the posting will be displayed as seen here. When finished completing the form, click on the blue Post button. If any of the required fields are not filled out, or if they are not recognized by DAT, you will see the incorrect or missing field turn red. You can quickly resolve these issues and resubmit. Once the postings have been submitted correctly, it will appear as one of your loads on the Post Load screen. You will see the green Posted button on the load in the status column.